Lot of people asking me, how Gmail password reset. So, today I will show you how Gmail password reset.
Tech Magnet.
First you need to go your email account. Now top of right hand side have a setting icon. Click it. If it is click, drop down menu will be show on your Gmail account. Drop down menu have a setting icon, and click it. Wait few seconds to load the setting page. Setting page have a few tabs. Select account and import. Now select change password from change account settings. Now account login page is loaded. Type your password on that box. Now password reset window is loaded and you need to type your new password in new password box. Now retype confirm new password box. Your new password is a confirmation. Now you can see password change confirmation page is loaded. Press get started button. They do security checkup. In this step they check if your account have any security issues. Now press continue to my account. Okay, now my password change process is over. Okay, now we need to confirm it actually work. So I need to sign out in this Gmail. For check actually work it. Please wait few seconds to load login screen. Okay, now I type my old password. Gmail says it not work. So now I type my new password and click the next button. Okay, now it log in. Please like our video and subscribe us as a support for create more video.